Ghost Town in the Sky is an abandoned Wild West-themed amusement park in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. It sits atop Buck Mountain, with a top elevation of 4,650 feet. Ghost Town was promoted as North Carolina's mile-high theme park. The park is located on a ridge extending from Buck Mountain border, an extension of the Cataloochee Divide, to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. The park's entrance is located on U.S. Highway 19, the main road through the town of Maggie Valley. An unusual aspect of this park is that it is located atop a mountain, which originally could only be accessed by visitors via a 370-foot-long chairlift or an inclined funicular railway. Attempts to move visitors to the park by bus proved problematic. Ghost Town was the brainchild of R.B. Coburn, a Covington, Virginia native who moved to Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Local investors provided much of the needed capital for the park in the form of debenture bonds, beginning in 1959. The name of the park was provided by the child of one of the investors. The park was designed by Russell Pearson and constructed for approximately $1 million in 1960, and inspired by Coburn's trips to the western United States. Over 200 locals helped construct the 40 replica buildings that comprise the western town, located at the mountain's peak. The park opened on May 1, 1961, and quickly became one of western North Carolina's most popular tourist attractions. At one point, Ghost Town averaged about 500,000 people visiting per year, with the chairlift moving 1,200 people per hour. The park became a major economic driver for the town. In its later years under Coburn's ownership, the park suffered from mismanagement and a lack of maintenance. Ghost Town was sold in August 2006 to Ghost Town Partners, LLC, and reopened on May 25, 2007, after $38 million was spent on renovations and improvements. In 2009, after more than $11 million had been spent, Ghost Town filed for bankruptcy. Today, Ghost Town remains closed and abandoned, despite several attempts to reopen. You can see some additional photos of Ghost Town today. Compare these to the photos of Ghost Town from its heyday.